What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Fatkat, of course, bringing you another one. So today, man, what we're gonna do, hopefully it's just a short, quick video. As you guys can see, man, Christine back there looking all nice and fresh. Just gave her a little bath. But anyway, so what we're gonna do today, man, is you guys know that as I do little mods here and there to the car, man, especially aesthetically, I give you guys rolling clips, man, so you guys can see what it looks like as it's rolling down the road. So if you guys ever do something like this to your car or to your Charger specifically, you guys can kind of get an idea of what it was or what it would look like. The reason why I do that, man, is because I know, like, for instance, like, and not just particularly with this particular car, but I know, like, when I look for certain things, like when I've had certain cars or whatever, and I want to know what it looks like, and I was looking for it on YouTube. One of the big videos that I used to always gravitate towards was it rolling, right? Like, I always wanted to see rolling shots and things like that, man, because for me, then it gives me kind of an accurate idea of how that particular mod or whatever, you know, whatever it was that I was looking for, what it would look like on that car, like I said, when it was rolling down the street, because that's pretty much the most important thing, right? How it looks when other people are looking at it and things like that. Obviously, I mean, you do it for yourself as well, but you know, you also want to see how it looks like when it's rolling down the street, man. So that's the reason why I do a lot of the rolling shots, and so that, like I said, if you got a Charger, if you got something that you are looking specifically for, as far as a certain mod, that you know what it look like when it's rolling down the street, man. So we're getting ready to hop in the car in a little bit. We're gonna have some rolling shots, some beauty shots, right, of Christine, and then that's it, man. Then we'll pretty much call it a day. And then I'll give you guys another video here in a couple of days, man, and show you guys or give you guys my full perspective and full opinion and review as far as riding on the H&R Springs. So again, man, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, man, first of all, I want to say a thank you and I appreciate it. And like I said, the way I do all these mods on these cars, man, is I go by subscriber count as far as reaching certain milestones. So this particular mod was for 2,600 subscribers when we reached it, and I put the H&R Springs on Christine, man. So now we're gonna go around, do a couple rolling shots, and then I'll get back to you after the video, man. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go. So there you guys go, man. So that will, hopefully that gives you kind of an idea of what it will look like I said, when it's dropped on H&R Springs. Again, these are H&R 50888 as far as the part number for which H&R Springs they are. They're still not completely settled. I've had them on for about a week now. I did drive over to a car show slash, not really a car show, it was like an event with Diablo Sport. That video will be coming out next, so stay tuned for that, man. Great, man. That event was crazy. It was super dope. I mean, they just had, it was great, man. It's the second annual, or the second time they've done it, and they're going to do it annually. They had SRT Mush was out there, so he's definitely going to be in the video. He had his demon there, doing some horsepower numbers on the dyno, so stay tuned for that, man. Also, Leah Pritchett, if you don't know who that is, she is a professional, like pro racer, so she was definitely there as well, and doing her thing, man. She had her demon there, twin turbo demon at that. Crazy, man. So stay tuned for those videos. That's coming up next. But as far as these, anyway, so point was that I drove over there. It was about an hour-and-a-half trip for me, and it rolled smooth, man. So, but we'll get the full review on everything else on the next, after the video of the Diablo Sport. Give you guys a full review of that, the H&Rs, man. But they ride smooth and everything else. And like I said, they're not completely settled. There's another guy who has these as well that I met up with when we went over to the that event, to the Diablo Sport event, Horsepower Wars, and he was a little bit lower than I was. So I know he's going to go down a little bit more. He probably got about another half an inch or so to settle all the way in, and then they're going to be pretty much perfect. Like I said, it did go down a little. The gap did go down a little bit now, but it's even going to be crazier, man. So anyway, other than that, appreciate you guys for watching the video. Again, if you guys don't know, if it's your first time, man, again, I want to say thank you. But on top of that, man, the way I'm doing all the mods on Christine is this car, by the way, if you don't know. But the way I'm doing all the mods on Christine is every single time I hit a certain milestone of subscribers, I get another mod, man. So the H&R Springs were for 2,600, like I mentioned before. So the next milestone is going to be 3,800. As soon as we hit 3,800 subscribers, we get a very next mod, man. So make sure you guys share this video with everybody you guys know, man, so we can get there as fast as possible, so we can make sure we get that next mod, man. I'm ready to go. Like, I actually want to order this and put it on now, but in order to keep, you know, and keep tradition, and or not tradition, but in order to keep consistent with what we're doing, I want to make sure that, you know, I hold true to the way we're building this car, man. So at 3,800 subscribers, we're gonna do the next mod, and I can't wait, man. Other than that, appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you guys comment down below, let me know what you think. Make sure you guys like this video, and make sure you guys subscribe. And after you subscribe, hit that little notification bell down there, so you guys could keep following this build, and you guys could follow everything that's going on with Christine, man. You don't want to miss any videos, man, trust me. Other than that, I'm your boy Fatkat, and we'll see you guys on the next one, man. Later.